Hi, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to create a document post and why that can be beneficial. So if you don't know what a document post is, they're basically those cool looking carousel type posts that you can slide, from side to side in the newsfeed. And they're really great for telling stories or conveying a message really well. People love them. LinkedIn love them. They get favored in the newsfeed, all that kind of stuff. So, but just to be clear, there is a feature coming soon. At the time of recording this video, it's not out, but coming soon that is actually called carousel posts. And carousel posts are a way of bunching different images and videos together and having them play automatically as a kind of a slideshow or almost like a video. But that is not what we're covering here. That's not available yet, at least not to me. So let's focus on the document posts. So why should you use document posts? Well, there's a few reasons. First of all, they're unique to LinkedIn. You can only get these on LinkedIn, no other social media platform. And basically, a document post it's either a PDF or a PowerPoint file or a Word document that you can upload directly into LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is the only platform that allows that. And because of that, these type of posts get favored in people's news feeds. So they generally tend to get wider reach and more engagement. They are very visually, or can be very visually engaging. If you use the right mix of text, images, and graphics, then people tend to really zone in on these type of posts. They're great for teaching things. They're great for doing how-to type posts and walking people through a series of steps to achieve something. They're great for sharing stats or numbers or graphs, anything that can be shown graphically or in a table, because they're generally presentation type documents or posts. And you can convey a lot of information through a document. You can actually have up to 300 pages. Don't ever do that. That's too many. I recommend between 5 and 10. But you can have up to 300. But if you can't get your message across in 5 or 10 slides, then I think you're doing something wrong. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, so that's kind of a little explanation about them. Now I'm going to walk you through actually posting a document post creating a document post and then posting it. So the first thing you need to do, if you don't already have it, set up your free Canva account, and there is a link to do that either above or below the video. And it is free. I do recommend the paid version. It's like $12 a month or something, but the free account is fine to get you started. So go and do that first. Then when you've done that, click on the link to one of the templates. There's actually 2 templates. And I'm going to go and do that now. And then I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do to make one of these templates your own. Okay, so let's go over there. So this is the post that I did about this. So this is where you can set up a free Canva account if you're reading this on my website. And then there's 2 templates here. I'm going to go for the dark theme template. Okay. So it tells you here, a template was created by Ensure, blah, blah, blah. Just click on Use Template. And this is what it'll do. It will open up a copy of, provided you got an account, it will open up a copy of LinkedIn document post doc template. So I'm just going to, I'm going to rename this to document, post. Right. So this is a really, really simple template. And if you want to add stuff in here, and you can see there's a bunch of other things that come up at the side here that you can use. These are all templates pre-built. For me, these are kind of too busy, most of them. I like very simple, bold, eye-catching things. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how to customize this for yourself. So the first thing is, If you want to change the background, actually, let me turn on my cursor here. If you want to change this background color, then select it here, and you'll see this little black square comes up. Just click on that, and then you've got all the different colors here. You can add your own colors in. I've got some color templates already in here, so I'm going to change it to this dark blue. There you go. And the next thing I'm going to do is put a big bold headline in here, and I'm going to say this is the about a and then you can put like one word here. I don't know, or maybe even two words. Something just short and catchy. You don't have to do that, and hopefully your spelling is better than mine. Okay, so that's that. I don't really like that spills over into my little photo there. So you can click on the line on the edge of the box here, and then you can just make this whole thing a bit smaller. There you go. All right, but the idea is to keep the text to a minimum. So hopefully you shouldn't have to do that. All right, next thing is to put your name in here. So I'm just going to go that, and now you can update this photo. So the way to do that is go over to uploads, just upload a photo of yourself. So you'll see I've got this one here. There's one of Yannick here. I'm sure he's not going to mind. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to click on Yannick, and it's going to put his photo on the thing here. So click somewhere inside of Yannick's photo. So when I move my cursor over here, you'll see it's highlighting the text. So move it down here where you can see Yannick, and then drag him over to where the photo of me is, and then let go, and you'll see Yannick now appears in that little box. Okay, so I'm just going to undo that because clearly, Yannick isn't creating this, and he might get upset with me if I publish this like that. So I'm just going to go back and get rid of Yannick. But that's how you change the photo of yourself, okay? And then what I should have done is change the background color of all of the slides at once. So I'm going to select the background of this one again. I'm just going to go and change that color. And then you'll see down here, I've got the option to change all. So I'm just going to click that button, and it will automatically update all of my slides for me. Okay. All right, so this is a kind of a how-to or a question-answer type post. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to write some instructions on how to do this. I'm actually going to make that a proper title first and put some letters in there. Do this properly. Okay. Or I'm going to put. I'll think of that in a moment. All right. So, do you know how to create a document post on LinkedIn? I'm going to put just follow these steps. Okay, so that becomes my second slide. Then I'm going to go down here. All right, so I'm going to pause this video for a moment and just fill all these slides in. Now, it's going to take me a while to do that, but you'll see that there's 5 steps in here. And actually, there's an error because I haven't updated the number in here, so I'll do that on the template. But you can put as many steps as you like. You can just literally, duplicate the page and add a page if you want to. So let me just do that and show you. You'll see there's 2 fifth ones now. I'll just get rid of that. Yeah, so you can add in or take out as many pages as you want. So I'm going to go and do that now. I'm going to go and write the steps out, and then I'll pause this and I'll come back when I am done with that. Okay, I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so that took me about 5 minutes. Let me just walk you through. And we got about here, I think, yeah. So do you know how to create document posts on LinkedIn? Just follow these steps. 1, create a free Canva account. There's a link to do this in the comments. 2, click on one of these templates. There's a light theme and a dark theme. Also in the comments. Insert your photo or logo. Click the upload files button. Upload your image. Blah, 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 blah. Add your name or handle. I didn't do that, so I'll just do that here. And update the text and colors. Maybe I should just demonstrate that here. I'll just do that as well. There you go. And then finally, click the link in the comments. So I've actually just made this work for what I'm doing right here. And honestly, it took me about 5 minutes. Obviously, I've done it before. So, but you can really create very quick document posts this way. Okay, so that is the post created. So now I'm going to download this. So I'm going to click on share here, and I'm going to click on download. And I'm not going to select this PNG. I'm going to select PDF standard, best for documents and emailing. And then I'm going to click on download. What's this option here? That's just for printing. Okay. I'm going to click on download. That'll take a moment to prepare. Then it should show as a file on my computer somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to save it now. All right, then I'm just going to open up LinkedIn. So let me do that. LinkedIn. All right, I'm going to go to the home page. And I'm going to click on start to post. Then down here at the bottom, I'm going to click on add a document. I'm going to choose the file from my computer that I just saved. And that looks a bit strange. Let's see how that turns out. Maybe that's just the preview. All right, just see how it looks. Okay, that looks good to me. Then we're going to just add a title here. I'm going to call it document post and burn. Now, always write something about your document post here. Write a few lines. So this is a document post. There's a document post. And then you just click on post. I'm not going to do this because I probably will do this tomorrow when I actually post, but I'm not going to do it right now. I'll think of something wittier to put up here or something more interesting. But this, you can see how quick that was. I mean, okay, I did pause the video because I had to do some laborious stuff, but that stuff took about 5 minutes. Honestly, it's really easy and simple to do this when you do it in Canva. And once you've done it a couple of times, there's no reason why it should take you any longer than 5 or 10 minutes, which probably isn't that much longer than creating a text-only post. It is worth doing this. People love these types of posts. They really stand out in the newsfeed. So that is it for this video. I hope that is very useful and that you get started with your own document posts. Good luck with that, and I'll see you in one of the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.